Hi, someone on KVR Audio asked how you can sync two oscillators in Zebra3 because you want to use an oscillator and a sub-oscillator and you want them to have in sync. So since you can't directly sync the oscillators there, Howard Scarr kindly offered a really nice solution and I will show it to you. So this is, for example, the oscillator. And there's a sub-oscillator an octave below. So what he did is something really simple, but if you don't know, maybe you struggle to get it. So there is the spline here for the saw oscillator. And everything you have to do is to make it an octave lower. That means you make the waveform slower. And making it slower means, let me just add and duplicate this one. And everything you need to do is make it a half. So put the grid here on 8 to 8 so you have a nice overview, and then just make the waveform a little slower, like this one. And that's it already. So if I do that while I'm playing a note, just put it on the half. And now you can seamlessly morph between the original one and the new one. And these two oscillators, what is actually only one, are totally in sync. This is a nice solution. Thank you very much, Howard Scarr. My name is Odo Sendai Dukai. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.